Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an incredible tool that makes creating short, high quality videos so easy. It's called SubMagic AI. Whether you are a content creator or just someone who wants to make eye-catching short videos, this tool makes the hustle out of video editing with AI-powered features that work fast and seamlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. So once you sign up and log in, you are greeted with dashboard. You can start by clicking the new video button. You have got up to options, caption clips or long to clips. Let's start with the caption clips feature. It's super simple. You can drag and drop your video or paste in a YouTube link and Submagic does the rest. It automatically generates captions and even subtitles for your clips. Now let's get into editing. Once your video is uploaded, you will see four main sections: styles, captions, b-rolls, and boost. First up, the style section. You can pick a theme for your subtitles. For example, let's go with the Mr. Beast theme. All it takes is one click and boom, you are already getting a clean professional looking caption design. But if you want more control, you can customize it. Change the text size, color positioning, and even add highlight colors for emphasis. The best part, you don't have to be an expert in design to make it look amazing. Now let's jump to captions. Here you can edit any text directly. If you want, you can even add an emoji for fun or to emphasize something. You can also add cool animations to the emoji and throw in some sound effects. How awesome is that? I'm adding a whoosh sound effect to this emoji to make it even more dynamic. Next, let's move on to B-rolls. You can search for royalty-free B-rolls clips to insert into your video. There are premium options available if you are on paid plan, but the free clips work great too. You can even add smooth transitions between scenes like this cool film burn effect, and it really makes the video feel more polished. And if you are in a rush, you can let Submagic AI's magic B-rolls automatically add footage for you, saving tons of time. It's like having an editor who works fast and knows exactly what your video needs. Now let's finish up with the boost section. Here you can add an AI generated hook titles, clean up any audio imperfections, and even get an AI generated description for your video. You can customize that description, add hashtags, and even add your logo or text to protect your brand. Plus, you can throw in background music from Submagic's premium library or upload your own. Once you are happy with your video, it's time to export. You can choose from different video formats like 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9 and adjust the quality. With a paid plan, you can export in 4K with no watermark. Now, if you are wondering how to access all these cool features, Submagic offers different subscription plans. They have got a starter plan at $14 per month, perfect for beginners with 20 videos per month. The growth plan at $34 per month is the most popular, offering unlimited videos, 4K support, and premium features like AI captions and clean audio. Lastly, there is a business plan at $90 per month for agencies or power users. So whether you are just starting with short form content or looking to take your videos to the next level, Submagic AI is an incredible tool to have in your corner. Check out the link in the description to start your free trial and see how it is to create amazing videos. Thanks for watching.